They are not the same. The Supreme Court says they are not the same.
To all the resource persons invited, kindly stand up and raise your right hand, please. Representatives and resource persons from the Office of the Vice President, COA, and DBM po. Thank you, ma'am.
Mr. Chair?
Yes, the Honorable
Yes,
Vice
when you
President.
sent a letter to the Office of the Vice President, you attached a copy of the rules
Okay.
in aid of legislation.
Yes po.
Yes, sir. Nakalagay po doon na witnesses lang po ang ino-oath. Sabi niyo po, ngayon sa amin, resource persons kami.
Ang ano po, considered as resource person po.
Ang ano po?
Kayo po.
Kaya nga po.
Yes po. Lahat po ino-oath po.
Yes.
Apo.
Nakalagay po sa rules ninyo, witnesses. Nakalagay po dito ngayon sa table, resource persons.
Lahat po considered as resource person and witness. Lahat po naman kayo, lahat resource person pa eh. Wala pa naman po tayong tinatawag na, lahat po considered as resource person pa lang po.
Right. Opo. Ang nasa rules ninyo, witnesses lang po ang nag-o-oath. Wala po kayong rules sa resource persons.
Ma'am, ano lang po yun eh. Yung term lang po yun eh. Pero considered as resource person din po kayo eh.
Yes, sir.
Opo.
Resource persons nga po
Kayo,
nakalagay
witness
dito.
din po at saka resource person po.
Hindi niyo po sinabi na witness ako. Sinabi niyo po dito ngayon, resource persons. Ang nakalagay po sa rules ninyo, witness.
Comsec, ano po yung pinadala po ninyo?
Yun pong rules in aid of legislation.
Mr. Chair, point of order.
What is the point of order of the Honorable Congressman
This issue about
Macapagal?
witness, resource person, etc., etc.
Ma'am, pakilakas lang po, hindi po marinig.
Persons and accused has been taken up in previous legislative inquiries in aid of legislation. When a witness, in fact, is in reality the accused.
Ma'am, pakilakas po ng konti. Medyo hindi ko po...
What he's saying is that if by the nature, for instance, of the privileged speech, if the witness is not a mere but the person being asked is not a mere witness or a mere person of interest, he is in fact the accused of what seems to be a case including malversation of public funds. And the court repeated the rule that an accused occupies a different tier of protection from an ordinary witness. So from given what Miriam Defensor Santiago said and the Supreme Court ruling that she's quoting, we cannot we cannot just trivialize. You're just a witness. You're a witness. Pareho na rin yung witness, resource person. They are not the same. The Supreme Court says they are not the same. And somebody who appears to be the accused has a different tier of protection from a witness. And in fact, can refuse to take the witness stand.
Congressman Flores, you're recognized.
Mr. Chair, this is an inquiry in aid of legislation and no one is technically accused of any wrongdoing here, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, look at the speech.
Ma'am,
Look at the
please,
speech, Mr. Chair,
ma'am,
the privilege.
please wait to be
Mr.
recognized.
Chair,
here.
may I request a
Wait.
1
I will,
minute
I will-
recess?
Okay, eto
One
ha.
minute. 1 minute
Thank
recess,
Si
you.
Secretary.
Vice President Sara asked for 1 minute suspension kasi dyan tingnan nyo yung mga tao nakatingin sa kanya, pati yung cameraman syempre nakatutok sa kanya, no. Pupuntahan niya dyan si former President Gloria Arroyo na nasa committee, no. Dyan, tingnan nyo. So, naka-consya kung sa Bisaya pa, naka-hung-hung. So, she whisper, yung sabi naman niya sa interview, yung sinabi niya, ma'am, huwag kang magpa-stress dahil dito sa ginawa nila sa akin. Kaya ko ito. Don't stress yourself about it. Kayang-kaya ko tong laban na to. Parang ganun na, no? Kaya ko to. Huwag kayong mag-aalala. So, tapos niyan, pupuntahan niya si Kong Marcoleta. Ganun din yung sasabihin niya. Huwag magpa-stress. kaya ko tong laban na to. Huwag kayong mag-aalala, hayaan niyo ako. Kasi siguro baka iisipin niya pag-iinitan din si Kong Marcoleta, 'di ba? Tinanggal siya sa committee diyan as a chairperson sa committee na 'yan na hindi niya alam. Obvious naman 'di ba na pinagtutulungan talaga nila diyan si Vice President Sara.
Magsalita para sa inyo ng pamilya ng baka maayos kaya itong nangyayari dito sa Kongreso.
Alam nyo, kasi madami hindi nakakilala sa akin, pero mag-share ako konti ng ugali ko. Hindi ako humihingi ng tulong. Alam yan ng tatay ko, naging mayor siya, naging president siya. Hindi ako humihingi ng tulong talaga. Kaya nga kanina kung nakita ninyo, lumapit ako kay Congresswoman Gloria Arroyo. Sinabihan ko siya, ma'am, huwag ka na magpa-stress. Dahil dito sa ginagawa nila sa akin, kaya ko ito. Don't stress yourself about it. Yan din ang sinabi ko kay Congressman Marcoleta.
Ma'am, sa gitna po ng lahat ng ito, how do you feel about what's happening right now? And you mentioning even about the impeachment or possible.
Iniisip ko lang na kapartihan ng journey ko as a government official, yung lahat ng nangyayari ngayon.
Ma'am, sa tingin niyo po may hand si PBBM sa nangyayari ngayon dito sa Congress? Actions against you and the Duterte family. Sa tingin niyo may hand si Pangulo?
Ma'am, hindi ko sagutin yan kasi sarcastic yung sagot ko dyan. Next.